Alright, so we've just arrived at Wet Jacket Arm up here at Dusky Sound, so we've come right up into the fjords, getting out of the wind, and going to be sheltered in here for the night. It's going to be a pretty awesome spot to explore tomorrow. Probably put the kayaks in. We are forecast to have some heavy rain, but it's going to make all these waterfalls behind us look pretty amazing tomorrow. So yeah, looking forward to another epic day on the boat. Going to paddle into this waterfall here in the kayaks and paddle boards, and we're going to see how close we can get to it. Pretty amazing, there's waterfalls everywhere now that it's raining. All ready? Awesome way to see the boat from the outside and get around to these little coves in the fjords. So Sean's just taking the boat out towards this little gap here where we've got the divers down below. Yeah, pretty amazing spot. Like Jurassic Park around here. What are you up to, Ben?
Just chillin'. Out for a rip.
Going for a rip.
Go headstand.
Commit. Oh! Seeing who can provide dinner. Got a fishing comp going on out on the bow.
Is that big enough?
Oh, do you guys want a team photo?
Who's winning?
Oh yeah.
Your team photo?
Go Danny!
Did you lose it?
No.
Ben, don't lose it.
Here we go. You found the spot.
Oh, here we go.
Danny!
Oh.
There you have to have a measure off.
You know, you guys might have
Danny.
to work out.
Oh, and he's on! Nice team.
Thanks.
Got dinner.
We're going to go to 9 Fathoms Passage just up here. Captain Cook named it 9 Fathoms Passage, and it's a compulsory swim.
Alright, so we've got to 9 Fathoms Pass, and it's compulsory swim for everyone on the boat. So we're going to switch over to the GoPro now and try and capture us all jumping in. Bloody freezing. Let's go. Ready?
Ready? Ready, jump off! Ready, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh, it's a 6-man hot tub. Look at that.
We did it.
What the highlight of my trip was? Highlight of my trip was meeting you guys.
Oh, that's nice.
No, seriously, you guys have been awesome, mate. It's been a pleasure to have you all on here, and hopefully we get to catch up with you, be it in here again or we're outside. But no, everyone's keen on everything. It was really good. That you could just mention something and everyone get into it, like the waterfall yesterday. Really good to have passionate people that care about just getting out and doing things.
Sweet.
Yeah. definitely my highlight.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for the amazing trip. We'll really appreciate it.
Not a
So
problem.
yeah,
Bloody good having you
be
here.
back for sure.
Good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, come and visit you guys.
Great timing. What was the other highlight of the trip?
Just the dives,
Yeah,
black
the
coral,
dives.
yeah. But also going up into all those little anchorages in the mothership was fantastic.
Yeah.
Beautiful
So
little-
close. Yeah.
And they're so sheltered, and just little tight little entrances we can just get through with the boat. Yeah, it was magic.
My highlight was snorkeling with the seals and seeing the seals on the rocks at the same time. It was awesome. The seals were just gorgeous.
Hot tub was pretty good.
Yeah.
Sam?
Yeah. In the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eating the chocolate covered Afghans and eating all of Courtney's amazing food and swimming with the seals and
Nice. Okay.
watching the dolphins.
4 highlights.
Yeah. And the low light was jumping in freezing cold water at the waterfall.
Just been on an awesome boat and just thoroughly loved it. I'd hate to say it had so many highlights. Crayfish, lots of crayfish. No, it's awesome. Loved it.
Yeah.
About it. Thoroughly enjoyed the trip in, the chopper in. That was exciting. Blown away by the dives, and I can't think of one that excels. But the crayfish are just huge and numerous. That was something pretty special.
Oh, it's been one out of the box, really.
Yeah.
But I was talking about before, I really enjoyed our walk to Woodhen Cove. I'm on the other side of Five Fingers there. That was real cool. It was great to get everyone up there, and we picked up a bit of rubbish and came back. It was a real nice day. Yeah, I really like that.
The 5 metre stop with the seals was a highlight. I could have done that all day. It was beautiful. Yeah, everything else was a highlight too, but that's a highlight of highlights.
Highlight definitely for me has been the spectacular scenery, and loved sitting in the hot tub on the boat as we're steaming through the sounds. Absolutely fantastic. So much. It's just perfect. The whole trip. Wonderful.
My highlight was all the diving. I think the first snorkel with the seven gills when they're coming right up to us, seeing the tawaki, seeing all the crayfish, and I think ultimately just that everyone loved it.
Swimming with seals.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was amazing.
And you're such a cool group, I got to do a lot of firsts with you guys,
Oh, sweet.
which was fun.
You were a great guide when we went ashore.
Who was your favourite customer?
Michelle.
I'm kidding, you were all great. You're really lovely.
Thanks for the amazing food, amazing trip, Courtney.
Thank you.
Oh, I've got many highlights, but I reckon probably that night we were cruising back into Cascade Cove. Beautiful night. Some people in the spa pool, some people on the beanbags.
Yeah.
Eating lots of nice snacks, drinking beers, wine. No complaints.